Alright, so this is how you install the Toyota Comma pedal. It's just slightly modified. So we're here in my Toyota Corolla, and the first thing you want to do is you want to unscrew this little panel here. There's two screws, one on either side, and a plastic tab in the middle. Just undo the two screws and push the plastic tab and pull it out just like that. And that's going to give you access to the pedal. It's just a lot easier to do this with that removed. So there's this connector up here. There is a tab. Yep. It's a little tight to get in here. There's a little tab on this side, so you just want to pinch that. Sorry for the bad angle here, but basically you just want to pinch that tab and pull up. It'll disconnect from the gas pedal there. Then you want to take your Comma pedal. Where's mine? Sorry about that. It's a pretty tight fit under there. So I'm going to take your Comma pedal and then go back down in there. And so on the gas pedal connector, you'll notice that there is a little indent here, and there is a big one up there. So on the Comma pedal, just align the small indent with the small indent on the connector. And just plug it in like that. You want to make sure you got a good connection, so really get in there and make it go down as far as it can go. Just kind of squeeze it. And then on the other side, the Ethernet port, the RJ45, should be facing out. And then that should just go right on the gas pedal here. And then, so here you go. And then just push down firmly. And then we're going to take a standard Ethernet cable, which I have mine run all the way back up to the Giraffe. And I have it kind of snaked through all the parts of the car there so that it's hidden and stealthy. And then you just want to plug that in. There you go. And yeah, be kind of careful because you can accidentally break the casing. It's fine if it breaks, just, you know, squeeze it and snap it back together. Just go through one more time and make sure everything's firmly seated. And that's so hard to do. Okay. And then make sure your Eon is connected. Make sure your RJ45 is connected and everything's set up. And then all you got to do is start the car. There should be no errors on the cluster there. And when you press the gas pedal, of course, it should respond. If you get any errors, hopefully you have a white Panda. And you can plug that into the OBD2 and use Torque Light to clear any ECU errors. Then, probably not the safest way to test this, but just put your car in drive, turn on the adaptive cruise, and then go out somewhere and go below 27. And you'll notice that the Comma icon lights up, allowing you to engage the gas. It'll go right to 27. There you go. And that's it, guys. Hopefully someone makes a better version of this video.